আমাৰ শিক্ষামূলক চেনেল আসামী পাঠশালালৈ আপোনালোকক স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। বন্ধুসকল, আজি আমি যি ভিডিঅ' লৈছোঁ ইয়াত আমি আমাৰ APSCৰ ৰিচাৰ্চ এছিষ্টেণ্টৰ 2019 চনৰ যি এক্সাম হৈছিল তাৰ আমি কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰৰ পাৰ্ট 2ৰ আমি কুৱেশ্যন সন্নিৱিষ্ট কৰিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিছোঁ। চ' আহকচোন বন্ধুসকল, আমাৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে এ লেক্ট্ৰমিটাৰ ইজ ইউজ টু মেজাৰ নাম্বাৰ এ কাৰেণ্ট, নাম্বাৰ বি Brutal plan, number C pressure, and number D purity of milk. Or we are the correct answer to which that is number D purity of milk. Do you know what an element that is found in all the organic compound is number A nitrogen, number B carbon, number C calcium, and number D none of the above. Or we are the correct answer to which that is number B carbon. Question number 3 is which of the following Indian companies has introduced the smart garbage bin as an integral technology for smart waste management. Number A, Steel Authority of India. Number B, Reliance India Limited. Number C, BSNL Biocon Limited. And number D, Biocon Limited. Are you the correct answer to say that is number A, Steel Authority of India. Question number 4 is the Indian Space Research Organization or ISRO is set to launch first solar mission 2019 to 2020. What is its name? Number A, Aditya L, number B, Surya Namaskar L1, number C, Aditya L1, and number D, Surya L1. Are you here the correct answer? It is number C, Aditya L1. Last number question to say, who wrote the book The Politics of Scarcity? Number A, S. Harrison, number B, Myron Winner, number C, Michael Fisher, and number D, Kuldeep Nair. Are you the correct answer to that is number B, Myron Winner. Question number 6 is in which year Gandhiji launched the non-cooperation movement? Number A 1920, number B 1919, number C 1930, and number D 1922. Are you the correct answer to that is number A 1920. Third number question is after the failure of which mission was the Quit India campaign launched by the Indian National Congress? Number A, Cabinet Mission, number B, Cripps Mission, number C, Montagu Kempsford Report, and number D, none of the above. Are you the correct answer to which that is number B, Cripps Mission. Question number 8 is which of the following is not relevant in India? Number A, ethnic politics, number B, caste politics, number C, apartheid politics, and number D, regional politics. Are you the correct answer to that is number C, apartheid politics. Now number question is grassroots democracy is related to number A, Panchayati Raj system, number B, interstate council, number C, Lokpal, and number D, regional politics. Are you the correct answer to that is number A, Panchayati Raj system. Last number question is which article gave special status to the state of Jammu and Kashmir? Number A 170, number B 270, number C 370, and number D 470. Or you are the correct answer to that is number C 370. The number question is secular state in India means number A state is anti-religion, number B state is based on religion, number C state is neutral in religion, number D state is irreligious. Or you are the correct answer to that is number C, state is neutral in religion. Question number 12 is the joint sitting of the parliament is presided by number A, the president of India, number B, the vice president of India, number C, the speaker of the Lok Sabha, and number D, the senior most member of the parliament. Or you are the correct answer to that is number C, the speaker of the Lok Sabha. Question number 13 is Sarkaria Commission was appointed in whose regime? Number A, Indira Gandhi, number B, Rajiv Gandhi, number C, Morarji Desai, and number D, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Are you the correct answer to that is number A, Indira Gandhi. So the number question is the plan launched in the 15th year of Indian independence was number A 10-5 plan, number B 9-5 plan, number C 7-5 plan, and number D 8-5 plan. Or you the correct answer to that is number D 8-5 plan. 15 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে the LPG model of development was introduced by the Finance Minister of India. Number A T.T. Krishnamachari, number B Yashwant Sinha, number C Manmohan Singh, and number D P. Chidambaram. Are you the correct answer to that is number C Manmohan Singh. Question number 16 is among the following determinants of growth, which is a non-economic factor? Number A natural resource, number B population growth, number C favorable legislation, and number D capital accumulation. Are you the correct answer to that is number C favorable legislation. 17 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে when was NITI Aayog was established? Number A 1st January 2015, number B 25th January 2016, number C 14 May 2014, and number D 1st July 2015. Are you the correct answer to that is number A 1st January 2015. Question number 18 is who is the current Vice Chairman of NITI Aayog? Number A Rajiv Kumar, number B Amitabh Khan, number C Binod Pal, and number D Ramesh Chan. Are you the correct answer to that is number A Rajiv Kumar. 19 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে the prime focus of development projects in the 8 northeastern states will be based on the concept of HIRA. What does R denote in this concept? Number A roadways, number B renovation, number C restructuring, and number D railways. Are we here the correct answer to that is number D railways. 20 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে which form of planning is greatly influenced by the economic conditions of the town? Number A regional planning, number B national planning, number C local planning, and number D none of the above. Are you the correct answer to that is number D none of the above. Question number 21 is the Brahmaputra Cracker and Polymer Limited Industries located at number A Makum, number B Mariani, number C Lebetkata, and number D Nogao. Are you the correct answer to that is number C Lebetkata. 22 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation or AMRUT was launched in the year number A 2015, number B 2016, number C 2005, and number D 2014. Are you the correct answer to that is number A 2015. Question number 23 is what is the full form of JNNRUM? Number A Jawaharlal Nehru National Urban Renewal Mission, number B Jawaharlal Nehru National Rejuvenation and Urban Mission, number C Jayaprakash Narayan National Rejuvenation and Urban Mission, and number D none of the above. Are you the correct answer to that is number A Jawaharlal Nehru National Urban Renewal Mission. 24 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched on the occasion of the birth anniversary of famous Indian leader. Who was he or she? Number A Mahatma Gandhi, number B Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, number C Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and number D Indira Gandhi. Are you the correct answer to that is number A Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 25 is which city topped the list of 27 new smart cities announced by the Ministry of Urban Development? Number A Varanasi, number B Asmi, number C Madurai, and number D Amritsar. Are you the correct answer to that is number D Amritsar. Question number 26 is which one of the following was given a central place of Schumpeter in his theory of development? Number A capital accumulation, number B role of the government, number C need for balanced growth, and number D role of innovations. Are you the correct answer to that is number D role of innovations. 28 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে according to W.W. Rostow the stages of economic growth are number A 2, number B 3, number C 4, and number D 5. Are you the correct answer to that is number D 5. 28 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে who among the following economists introduced the term human development? Number A Mehboob ul Haq, number B Amrita Sen, number C Unir Kirdar, and number D all of them. Are you the correct answer to that is number D all of them. 19 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে which of the following 5-year plans attest with Garvey Hatter's slogan? Number A 4th 5-year plan, number B 5th 5-year plan, number C 6th 5-year plan, and number D 7th 5-year plan. Are you the correct answer to that is number A 4th 5-year plan. Question number 30 is WWF stand for number A World Wildlife Fund, number B World Wide Fund for Nature, number C, Widow Welfare Fund, and number D, none of the above. Or your correct answer to that is number B, Worldwide Fund for Nature. Question number 31 is the most valuable tree in Assam forest is number A, Bonsum, number B, Oak, number C, Sal, and number D, Teak. Or your correct answer to that is number C, Sal. But this number question is Nirmal Gram Puraskar is associated with number A, rural drinking water, number B, enlarging forest, number C, elementary education, and number D, total sanitation campaign. Are you the correct answer to that is number D, total sanitation campaign. Question number 32 is find out where Asia's first tea research center is located. Number A, Tinsukia, number B, Jorhat, number C, Dumduba, and number D, Dibrugarh. Are you the correct answer to that is number B, Jorhat. Question number 34 is Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana was launched on number A, August 15, 2014, number B, August 28, 2014, number C, October 2nd, 2014, and number D, September 15, 2014. Are you the correct answer to that is number B, August 28, 2014. For this number question which bank has introduced travel card for students going abroad? Number A, HDFC, number B, ICICI, number C, Yes Bank, and number D, Axis Bank. Are you the correct answer to that is number B, ICICI. Question number 36 is name the scheme given below launched by the Government of India is aimed at development of rural infrastructure. Number A, MNREGA, number B, RASA, number C, Bharat Nirman, and number D, Operation Flood. Are you the correct answer to that is number C, Bharat Nirman. Question number 37 is Vision 2020 for India document is related to number A, agriculture development, number B, industrial development, number C, economic development, and number D, poverty removal. Are you the correct answer to that is number D, poverty removal. 38 number question which of the following refineries in Assam is known as Assam Akrot Refinery? Number A, Nunmati, number B, Digbo Refinery, number C, Numaligarh Refinery, and number D, Bongaigaon Refinery. Are you the correct answer to that is number C, Numaligarh Refinery. Question number 39 is the World Consumer Rights Day is celebrated across the world on number A, 26 September, number B, 8 April, number C, 15 March, and number D, 14 January. Are you the correct answer to that is number C, 15 March. So this number question is what is Assam Vikas Yojana? Number A, Tourism Department's scheme for unemployed youth, number B, Social Welfare Department's scheme for unmarried girls, number C, Education Department's scheme, and number D, Irrigation Department's scheme for rural people. Are we the correct answer to that is number A, Tourism Department's scheme for unemployed youth. Actually, number question which of the following institutions deals with credit to agriculture and rural development? Number A, IDBA, number B, NABARD, number C, SBA, and number D, ICICI. Are you the correct answer to that is number B, NABARD. Question number 42 is the Kisan Vikas Patra scheme was stopped by the government to number A, control the number of NPS, number B, check money laundering, number C, control the violation of KYC norms, and number D, both A and B. Are you the correct answer to that is number B, check money laundering. There is number question which country in the world ranks first in milk production in 2014 to 2015? Number A, India, number B, USA, number C, Denmark, and number D, China. Are you the correct answer to that is number A, India. Question number 44 is in which of the following years the innovative of Moitsa Mitra was introduced in Assam? Number A, 2010, number B, 2011, number C, 2009, and number D, 2008. Are you the correct answer to that is number D, 2008. 45 number question Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram was launched on 6 February on which year? Number A, 2013, number B, 2011, number C, 2010, and number D, 2009. Are you the correct answer to that is number A, 2013. Question number 46 is the World Labour Day is celebrated all over the world on number A April 28, number B April 30, number C May 1st, and number D May 2nd. Are we the correct answer to that is number C May 1st. Question number 47 is what is the percentage of rural population in Assam as per 2011 census? Number A 89%, number B 88%, number C 87%, and number D 68.84%. Are you the correct answer to it is number D 68.84%. 48 number question is a bill presented in the parliament becomes an act after number A it is passed by both the houses, number B the president gives his or her assent, number C the prime minister signs on it, number D the Supreme Court decides it to be within the competence of the Union Parliament. Are you the correct answer to it? It is number B the president gives his or her assent. Question number 49 is a dispute between two houses of parliament can be resolved by the number A ruling of the Lok Sabha speaker, number B ruling of the Rajya Sabha chairperson, number C joint sitting of both the houses summoned by the president, and number D none of the above. Are you the correct answer to it? That is number A ruling of the Lok Sabha speaker. Question number 50 is dissolution of the State Legislative Assembly before the expiry of its term can be brought about by number A the Speaker of the Assembly, number B the Chief Minister, number C the Governor, and number D 2/3 majority votes of the members of the Legislative Assembly. Are you the correct answer to it? That is number C the Governor. So ইয়াৰ লগতে আজিৰ আমাৰ ভিডিঅ'টোৰ অন্ত পৰিল। যদিহে আজিৰ আমাৰ ভিডিঅ'টো আপোনালোকৰ ভাল লাগিছে দেন প্লিজ লাইক শ্বেয়াৰ এণ্ড ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। ধন্যবাদ।